So here is the Guardrails codebase where I have defined a thisisourtopic.co as a colon file. I have identified or defined few canonical forms like define user ask about cooking as a canonical form. And the user utterances here are how can I cook pasta or what is the recipe for cooking. There are also other user. Ask about criminal activity as a canonical form. And how can I rob a bank? How can I steal from a shop? Are the user utterances. Then here is the bot express refuse. And the utterance is, I am an assistant. I cannot answer that question. There's one more flow here that identifies cooking flow. And whenever the user would ask about cooking related queries, it will match this flow, and the bot would actually invoke bot express. The refuse, which would invoke the I am an assistant. I cannot answer that question as bot utterance. Now let's go and execute the question, how can I cook dinner? I have got a chance to invoke the info logs. So when I execute the flow, you'll see a lot of info logs on the terminal. There you go. I am an assistant. I cannot answer that question. So cooking flow is identified and it responded saying I could not answer that question. Here's the cooking flow. User asked about cooking, which is on line 16, and the bot refused to answer the question. It's a very simple flow, and this is a negative scenario in terms of stopping or preventing the user. Now let's ask another question. How can I play ping pong? Before I go into executing this flow, which is not identified at the colon file, I want to specify I want to go into the details of config.yml. This is the models. We are specifying OpenType as main. Engine is an OpenAI, and the model is DaVinci. Now I have specified a sample conversation here, which it says how the bot and the user conversation would go. In this case here, user express greeting as hello there. And what would express greeting? Hello, how can I assist you? Then user would ask, what can you do for me? It specifies that as a capability. In the bot, respond about the capability saying, I am an AI assistant. I can help you with a wide range of tasks. User tells, asks, tell me more about the history and so forth. That's a general question, and the bot responds to the general question. And this is how the conversation would go between user and in the bot.